Bella, somebody just tried a chocolate popsicle and they didn't like it. Oh, but then they decided they wanted more. Come on. Do you want more? You want more? Come here. Is it cold? Is it cold? You want more? You gonna love chocolate like your mommy? If you don't like it, why are you coming back for more? Hi. If you don't like it, why are you coming back for more? Look, Bella. Do you want some more? No? Mommy, it's good. Num, 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 num. You want some? Chocolate face? Chocolate face? Whoa, here. Good. You want it? Where are you going? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. You good girl.